Hey, what's up guys, and today we're going to be reacting to Lil Yachty shows what's inside a jewelry box. Original full video will be down in the description below, and let's get into it. Gucci. 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 Not true religion. Nope.
Great denim jackets, great pants, you know how we rock.
Bro, I'm done with those cat emojis. Ew. Yo. Ew. Who's that? Oh my god. Bro, I'm done. Ew. Big eyes. I'm really about to get at him. Charging time is like... It says charging, what? Oh. Bro, I don't get it. Why they? It's just they trying to be a bootleg Rico Reckless. Trump trying to be a bootleg Rico Reckless, yo, Yachty. The hell was that? Oh, that's a DS, I think.
Just shut it down.
Bro. Diamonds. 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 Bro, I'm done. Diamonds? Wait, where you get those color ones? QC. QC. Diamonds.
I wasn't delirious.
I would get it. I would get that.
Nah, my shit hit me.
Yo.
Hey man.
Babe, I'm done. Bro, I'm done.
Let me tell you,
bro.
Man, coming to Houston to go party, man. Now, man.
I only did 2 reactions. I'm gonna do more. I'm done. What is that? Oh, that's Gucci Man.
Now, Gucci, you know you ain't supposed to take that pizza like that, man. What you doing with that, dog, man?
That's Young Dolph, I think. 20-0. Oh, they up there. They lucky. Diamonds. I'm done. Oh, get beats. You rich. You rich, right? Get beats. Damn. Yeah. Not looking for love. I'm just speaking out in general. Makes no sense. I feel it, but then again, not everyone has it. It's a good thing. I'm joking. I feel this. No. This don't make no sense, bro. I'm done. Yo. Oh, my personality would like to mess with some fun with it. I could care less what you do, beauty, and people who. Alright guys, hope you like this video and subscribe for more, and I'm out.